wish you all the best.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy wish. Oh, wish.
Ay, sana dumami ang mga pera. Ano ba yan?
Yay! Happy birthday! Picture na.
Cheesecake Abby, oh.
Picture na kasi niya.
Ganda ha.
Yung matangkad. Yung matangkad.
Tungkad ha.
Ilan niya ng tungtungan? Gusto ko pala na matangkad. Mag-selfie na tayo. Happy birthday, Miss Ness! Pinakamabait at pinakamahabang pasensya na HR manager na nakilala. Saan na yung cheesecake? God bless you po and good health and I love you po.
Happy birthday, Miss! Happy birthday, Misses!
Happy birthday, Miss Ness! Miss Ness! Ay, may...
Adlaw na tauhan.
Hola.
Maayong adlaw na tauhan. Ang ping-firme, Miss Ness.
Hi, Miss Ness. Happy birthday. Love you.
Ano gagawin ko para sa
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're happy in...
Yes, happy dear.
Ano yan? Cheesecake?
Cheesecake. Feeling ko masarap to mamaya.
So,
Diet.
so hindi to kakainin kasi masira yung mukha. So, balon na maliit.
Wait lang.
Maliit lang yung balon.
Ganit mo. Okay mo na siya. Uy, thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hi, Miss Ness. Happy birthday to you. I hope that you will enjoy today because today is your special day. And I would like to thank you for being a good boss, being a good friend of mine, being igsuon sa Qatar, igsuon in different mother, char lang. Anyway, enjoy your special day and of course enjoy your date. Keep safe always, and I hope and I pray that you will reach all your plans, all your goals in life. And I know you have a lot of achievements na, but more achievements more achievements para sa imuha and for your family. Happy birthday. I love you. Napaday pakapin. I'm very thankful that you are a good in everything. Basta buutan sa tanan. As in sa puto no sahay, sa work, basta nagpabadlong sa July, char lang. Bitaw, you know how I really admire you as a boss, as a friend, as a person. And I was really thankful that because of you, wala ako sa manzil karon. Maybe ikaw ang path or ikaw ang giguide ni Lord para para maayos akong life, char. Thank you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yes! We miss you and we love you. Enjoy your special day.
Hi, Bess. Surprise. Char. Okay, I don't want to take this long enough, so I just want to greet you a happy birthday, and I just want to let you know that everything that you're having right now, like all your achievements, all the blessings, you deserve it. You're the kindest, the sweetest, and a person who have a very good heart, and you're the best friend I have ever had. Thank you so much for always being there for me, for always supporting me, even if we're very far away now. I know you're always being there for me, and yeah, I just want to let you know that I'm also always here for you. You know how much I love you, and next time ng giveaway, okay, that's char. Anyway, I love you, Bess, and I really do hope to see you soon. And yeah, I miss all our laughters. You know what I mean? I love you and I miss you so much. Happy birthday. Stay active and stay healthy. Love you. Mwah.
Hi, Miss Ness. How are you? It's your birthday again. Happy birthday. Good health always and happiness. Alam mo naman, yan lang ang pwede nating maibigay sa ating kaibigan na i-wish na sana always happy kahit ano pa man ang mangyari sa mundo. So, how old na nga pala? Don't worry. Number doesn't matter. Always stay young and positive. Happy birthday again! See ya!
Hi, yeah. Happy birthday! Wishing you more birthdays to come. I'm your brother from the same mother. I love you, yeah? Don't say happy birthday, Mamang.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Ness.
Happy birthday, yeah. Love you.
Love you. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Go. Hi sis, happy birthday. Sige makagpa-video greeting sis. Uy, mura jud kag artista ay. Kapoy kay kasalawa sis. Siya na ka madaming hinihingi. Charot. Hindi nga, happy birthday. You know that we love you. Kung sa mga wishes and mga prayers ko sa iyo ever since nothing's changed. In fact, nadagdagan na you be more happy, be more satisfied, be more contented, more blessings, more happiness sa imo. Diba lang tanan oy, because you know when you're happy, I am happy and the whole family is happy. Alam natin yan. So enjoy your day. You deserve to be spoiled. Happy birthday from your loving princess sister.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Go.
Hello, Ness. You have grown a year, and it's a number. So count now from today, 365 graces and blessings in store for you. Claim it. My prayers. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday. What can I say? You're a great mother as well. A lot of people are already saying that you're a great daughter, you're a great friend, a great wife, but you know, above all else, you are such a great mom. Thank you for everything. I recently just graduated and I'm asking for a little patience because I'm still in the process of exploring life. I'm looking ahead of me and seeing what's really in store for me. You know, I just also want you to know that I'm very content with life. I'm very comfortable. And that's all because of everything that you do and everything that you are. So yun, enjoy lang. Huwag masyadong mag-isip na matanda ka na. That's part of life. Kahit ako, ayaw ko din magtanda. Pero that's part of life. So again, thank you for everything. And I love you so much. And enjoy being 30 years old. Charm. Thank you. Bye-bye. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ms. Ness.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Pa-birthday ting!
Happy birthday, Miss Nas. Wish you all the best and wish you a bunso soon.
Enjoy your day. Stay sexy and gorgeous. We miss you. Happy birthday! Kiss!
Kiss.
Kiss!
Blow a kiss.
Mwah.
No. Tito Ninang, not Papa.
Tita Ninang.
Tita Ninang. Mwah. My kiss. Mwah. Sige na.
Uy! Burp, excuse me!